crazy windy out here today. So I'll probably have the sound shut off for most of this video. See how it goes. Alright, back at the shop here. We have had another failure. I think maybe this brushless motor just might be too much, or it might be geared too high. I don't know that much about it. It was from I bought it this way off of eBay. But I just soldered the center wire back on this morning, and you see it already melted this one off this time, the first wire. And this motor is still pretty daggone warm to the touch, and it's been cooling down for about 10-15 minutes, so something burning real hot in there. I may take this brushless set out and put it in my 4x4 ruckus and put a brushed motor back in this. Maybe go more towards some stock tires. I just had these laying around. Anybody has any suggestions on a good brushed motor to run in this mantaray, or even maybe the perfect brushless setup, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'd like to get this thing running really nice. I always really like the body style of this car. I'm going to see if I can pop this motor out real quick and kind of have a look at what's going on with that pinion gear. Have no idea even what's on it. Decent metal pinion gear, but yeah, it's warm. I don't know how many tooth this is. It doesn't say on it anywhere clearly. So I don't know if maybe it's possibly just geared wrong, or whether it's just too much for this particular setup. If anybody has any good ideas, let me know. I'd sure like to get this thing running really nice. Alright, see you next time.